Hello you guys, and konnichiwa from Japan. Let's go do a week in the life of, and I want to take you back to one of my first weeks here in Japan. So I'll show you some chores and some fun stuff that I've done. Let's go check it out. Hey you guys, I just finished up setting up my little room so far. Since I'm here for such a short time, I'm not really going to do too much more with it. So let's just show you around now. And that's about it. Fun fact, Japanese pillows, don't know if they're for me. These little bean bags, they're quite hard and small. Anyway, that's my room. I'm in Japan. Let's get started. Tomorrow. I went to the post office for the first time successfully. Yay, one thing off my list today. Hello. So we went to the post office and we went to Starbucks because it got really hot and I needed a cold drink, and then we went grocery shopping. But I thought I would show you guys what groceries I got because why not? I found instant miso, and apparently it's freeze dried, and all of these ingredients pop up when you put hot water on it. So we'll see. It might be pretty pitiful, but I didn't get extra ingredients or tofu to go in it. We'll see if it works. All right, guys. See you.
All right, here we are.
My first kind of almost claw machine this trip in Japan. Very monumental.
All right, and now you pick, and you just choose any of the 4.
Okay. I feel like the highest percentage of... Oh.
First try going well.
Anticlimactic.
All right, it went in.
Oh, my videographer. No. You know what? This one's gonna
You've got fake money. You can earn. The top prize is a PS5, which you can barely even get anywhere else. Switch.
That's true. I don't even believe that prize is real. I've been to enough carnivals to know.
It's real. PS4, switches and vacuums and things.
Okay, let's try this again.
She's got real money this time.
It has been folded. I didn't fold it, I swear.
Oh, it stopped recording, I think, or it's just gone dark. Oh, nope, they don't like your money.
I think this one's my favorite. What is going on? Okay, I need to get this guy. We need Sanbyaku?
Yeah, 3 of them.
Hi. Okay. Gambarimasu. I push down? No, let's
just
return.
turn it.
I want the cabbage head. Oh, where does it come? Ah.
It's not the cabbage head. You got the little 2 fellas. You got.
I technically got
mushroom.
2.
Mushroom. Ah,
Mushroom.
you got 2 mushrooms.
Oh, mushroom.
Mushroom.
Sugoi. They're cute.
Can you show the face?
My face? Their face.
Their face, not your face. Nice. That's a win.
Yes, I'll take it. But this long neck corn llama, that's the real goal. I don't think this will catch that that's the inside of the climbing gym, but it is.
Can you zoom in?
Thank you guys for coming with me and reliving some fun things from my first week or couple weeks here in Japan. I did skip over like the hours and hours that I waited at City Hall for my residence card and the over an hour that I waited to sign up for my bank account. So, you know, there was lots of fun stuff when I first came here and had to do everything as a student. But now we are in it. I get to just travel around and show you guys the fun stuff. So let me know what you'd like to see more of and I will do my very best. Until next time, mata ne.